Hi to everybody who's confined within the four walls of your home. I hope you are doing well and you're safe. Please stay inside and take all the necessary precautions. I know this is not really the ideal situation and this is not the vacation that we wanted. But you have to be positive, you have to stay strong, especially those who are away from their families and homes. I know it's a little tough, but we have to stay safe and positive and try to get this through. We have to divert our minds from this situation for some time, but also consciously make an effort to take as many precautions as possible. So I am in Manila right now, which is under a lockdown, and because of that, I have been inside my house only for almost a week now. And last week we actually had a lot of problems because a lot of Indian students were stuck in Malaysia and Singapore because of the travel ban. Thankfully, they are all home now, and there are still many students here who want to go back to India but are not able to because of the travel ban. And I hope something happens soon and everybody gets to go back to their home. As for me, there has been nothing much that I've been doing except for just watching shows and movies. I've also posted quite some motivational quotes and stuff on my wall so that I'll be like, let's make the full use of each day. But I'm just watching movies, nothing else. So I saw Sherzad Shroff's video about making a watch list of everything that she suggests, and I thought that was a very good idea because I am a serial binge watcher, and I think I might have some good suggestions too. I have mostly watched either feel good movies or movies which are related to epidemic and disaster kind of thing. So this is my quarantine watch list. So starting off with the list, I'd like to talk about Chernobyl first. I think that is how you pronounce it, but I'm not really sure. So this show is based on the biggest nuclear disaster that we have ever had. It narrates the investigation processes that happened after the disaster, and it is really very haunting. It's kind of heartbreaking and shocking to see how the events happened and how so many lives got affected, and keeps you so hooked onto it. It's really gripping and very thrilling to watch. The second suggestion that I have is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Capturing the road trip of three college friends trying out different adventures, this film gives us all the travel bug. It's just one of those light-hearted movies which you can watch anytime and you will feel good about everything. The direction is amazing in this movie, and especially the beautiful locations. And also during this time when we are not allowed to get out of the house, I really feel that watching these beautiful locations can make up for it. The Office. I don't know how this is not as famous as Friends or How I Met Your Mother. This show is really just so funny and well made. Televised in a mockumentary manner, this series shows the lives of employees of a paper company. I know it takes some time to get in its zone, but it's absolutely hilarious once you get hooked onto it. And even the characters, they are so well written, and they're very normal people like us, and it's just so funny to watch them do all these silly things. Virus. This Malayalam movie talks about the Nipah virus, and it is so well made and gripping, and it is very interesting to watch. It also shows you how unknowingly the virus spread, and that really makes you think about taking proper precautions, especially in a time like this. So I would really suggest you to watch this one, Wild Tales. This Spanish movie is the most random dark comedy that I've ever seen. It literally makes you think like, what the hell just happened? It's made of 6 short stories, and it is genuinely so much fun to watch it. Just all sorts of silly, random and completely out of the blue things happening, but you will really enjoy it, and it's too much fun to watch. Sarabhai vs. Sarabhai. This regular Hindi TV serial genuinely made me laugh in my childhood and even now. The characters, the dialogues, the situations, and the sarcastic comments of Indravardhan Sarabhai. I think he's the Chandler of Indian TV shows. I still watch random clips of this show whenever possible. Contagion. So I watched this movie recently after seeing Sherry's video. This is actually quite similar to the movie Virus, but Virus was released much later. So I think Virus is inspired by Contagion, but it's very scary to watch it because it's exactly similar to the situation that's happening right now, except the number of deaths and all that. But it really gives you a perspective and makes you rethink about the precautions that you're taking and the situation that you are in. Do watch it, but if you get panicked easily, then I would suggest you to stay away from it. Sillu Karapatti. I'm sure I'm butchering the name and the pronunciation. I'm really sorry for that. But this Tamil light-hearted movie is about different types of affection and it's made so tenderly. It has 4 short stories which are very different from any romance movies that we have seen. It's made very realistically and beautifully. It is basically a very simple film which is made with a lot of heart, and I'm sure it will bring a smile to your face. Bareli Ki Barfi. This movie is my definition of feel-good movie. Based in a small town, it narrates the story of a girl whose parents are worried about her marriage and then she encounters 2 prospective suitors. It's so simple, nothing over the top, yet leaves you smiling every time. It is a very wonderfully normal film, and that is what makes it so fun to watch. And the performances in this film is absolutely delightful. BoJack Horseman. Set in a humanoid world, this show depicts the life of a washed-out TV star, while also touching on topics such as sexism, racism, depression, and many more. This animated show is very hard-hitting, funny, emotional, all at the same time, and makes you think a lot too, about morality, about people, and the environment that we are in. All that while being an animated show and really funny too. So other than these movies, you can also definitely watch old classics like Fir Hera Feri, Golmaal, Andaz Apna Apna, All the Best, and so many more. So if you want to binge watch like on serious TV series which keeps you hooked and all, then you can check out You, Narcos, then there is Black Mirror, The Crown, Mindhunter, People vs. O.J. Simpson. I have also written 2 blog posts earlier about my show recommendations. One of them is titled Shows That I Watched in 2017, I guess, or 18, something like that. And the other one is titled Shows Every Woman Must Watch. I'll link them here, do check them out. I'll also leave the link in the description box below and you can get some nice suggestions. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please take care of yourself. Please follow the proper necessary precautions. Stay positive, stay inside, stay safe. Bye.